Hey beautiful, welcome to my channel. I'm Jody and I'm so glad you're here. It's really loud outside right now, but I wanted to let you know we are at the Habitat ReStore. If you don't know what a Habitat ReStore is, I'm going to tell you today. And guess what? You don't just get furniture here. So come on, if you're interested in beauty on a budget and finding amazing things looking like $1 million but not spending $1 million, hit the subscribe button and join me for the fun. Let's go inside. When you walk into a Habitat for Humanity ReStore, you might see, well, furniture and decor, but take a look at this beautiful set of glasses and all of this china. They offer a variety of options, and wherever you are, the inventory is different. So for my Habitat for Humanity in upstate New York, in Albany, you see here are some of the things that I get to look at. They do have a lot of home decor items, but they do have plate sets. It's really a great chance for you to find very unique and vintage items. The lighting is something that I always check out when I go there as well, because I'm always looking for a beautiful lamp or something for my home. I thought about this milk glass lamp. I thought that would be cool in a really kind of old-fashioned type of room. And oh, look at those candlesticks. This right here, this set was so beautiful, but my dining room is already chock full. They also had some purses, which I thought was a great addition. It was a small little pile of purses, but I found a gem. So one thing a lot of people don't know is that there's more than just furniture here at the Habitat ReStore. And my Habitat ReStore in particular has jewelry, and it's really well priced. And I just wanted to give you a chance to take a look at some of the items, and I might take some home with me today because you never know. I might need a new bracelet, necklace, or watch, or maybe a ring or two. So I've really been on the lookout for big rings lately. I don't know, I've kind of wanted that chunky look. And I found this ring. This is actually kind of cute. It's calling my name. Oh, it's actually stretchy, so it'll fit any size. Ooh, I kind of really do like that one. That one's really nice. It's kind of like a goldish, gold-plated. It's not real, but with little accented diamonds. That's actually kind of cute. Okay, so here are some of the pins. I think this one's really pretty. I like the shine on that one. I also really like this small leaf. I think it's just dainty. And it has a beautiful little sparkle to it. This is pretty as well. Some really nice items, and they're all just $5.99. And I'm here on a sale day. It's 20% off all items. So these bracelets are really in right now, and I have a ton of them at home, but I thought that these were cute. This is like an off-white and a black one in a triangular form. They're two for $7, but they're 20% off today, so these are kind of cute. Oh, I also like this one a lot as well. That's really cool. Ooh, I found a really good deal. All of these bracelets together are $3. And I like this one in particular. This is the one that caught my eye. But all of them together for $3. Yes. Okay, look at this. That's really pretty. Here's another pretty set. I like this pink one. Oh, it's got a baby pink one with it. Little tiny. I'm really excited because they have this great display of watches, so I wanted to take a look at them. I don't have my glasses on, so I asked them for a magnifying glass. Now I could see all the writing on it. I have a little visitor here who wants to help with the haul today. This is Boo Kitty. I'm gonna have to let you go, Boo. You can't, oh, you're so sweet. Yes, you're just a sweet little kitty. But I gotta work here. I gotta talk to my friends. Okay, go on. Go on. Boo Kitty. So first I'm gonna start out with this purse that I got. It has this beautiful little brooch attached to it. There are a couple of rhinestones missing from it. I did not realize that at the time. The lighting wasn't good. But I still think I could probably replace those. I really like this ornate design. The purse was only $5 with 20% off, and it has this really sturdy chain. It's not leather, I don't think it's leather, and it has this, it's made in China, and it has this C on the inside. So I'd love to know if you've heard of this C or know this logo. I'm gonna do some research online, but if you know something, leave me a comment below. So I got this for 20% off of $5. The next thing I got is this set of bracelets, and I loved the design on this one in particular. It kind of looked like a mother of pearl almost with the black, but I think it's just basically black and white enamel. I don't know, I just really loved it, and I thought it was really pretty. All of these together look really cute, and it was only 20% off of $3, so you couldn't go wrong with having a bunch of bangles on your wrist. Then I got this bracelet. I thought it was really pretty. I loved the leaf motif, and then there are some rhinestones right in the front, in the middle of the bracelet. So I loved how it looked on my wrist, and I thought that was really pretty. It does not have any hallmarks of a designer, a maker, but I like it anyways. I also got this bracelet. I just thought it was really dainty. I loved the rhinestones in the middle. There's no maker for this bracelet either, but I loved it, and I thought it would be a great gold accent when I was wearing gold jewelry. Whoa, take a look at all of this. I asked him to put together a grab box for me of jewelry that he wasn't going to use, and I was going to pay him for it, and here's what he gave me. I did make a purchase on this, but he organized it all in colors, and so I've got some gold jewelry to go through, every color of the rainbow. Whoa! So I'm gonna go through this, and I'm gonna pick out my favorites of all the different colors and share them with you. But you're gonna have to wait until next week to see all the beautiful pieces of jewelry inside these bags. That's all for today. I want to thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Once we get to 1,000 followers, we are going to do a giveaway, and we are growing each week. So I want to thank you so much for your support, and I love you so much. We'll look at all this jewelry next week. Until then, have a great week.